Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, December 23rd, 2016. I'm on my way to Ben. Actually, I'm already there, but I think he's asleep, so we're gonna go wake him up and you'll get to see a side of Ben that you don't normally see. Humphrey!
I called it.
Good morning, Benjamin.
Good morning.
Look at that fresh haircut. Our first free dive was a success. We had like 5 rays down there, but now we're stopping at Burger King by boat. Check it out. You can't do that very many places in the world. Forward, forward. All right, reverse, reverse. Oh.
Hunter, go.
Come on, Humphrey. Hi, can I get a... That was quick and easy. I mean, check it out. There's our ride coming in. Got our food. Now comes the hard part, getting back on the boat without spilling anything. Ben, you're gonna have to take this. Very careful. My smoothie's there. Do you want me to take something?
Yeah, just take the drink.
He decided to take his helicopter to Burger King. I'm just kidding. That guy, that's Jerome. He's a helicopter tour guide. Is it good, Ben? Get the net, Ben! Get the net! Get the net!
What?
Do you have anything to say, Ben? You should comment below if you prefer Big Ben or Little Ben. Yeah, I'm making you guys pick, but quick little update. Hunter's still fishing. He hasn't caught anything but the rock. And we're just drifting through the ocean here. Oh, and we have ABBA playing. There's a little shout out for Jose. We miss you, Jose. Or I miss you.
Pulling.
It's pulling? Is it pulling?
It's pulling. It's real.
Reel it in, reel it in. Come on, boy.
It better not be a barracuda, I swear to God.
That was the shark.
The shark got it.
It was a shark.
That's probably what we saw.
Oh my.
It was a jack. That would have. Aww.
Wow. Well. Hunter, let's see your back. Can we play tic-tac-toe? Almost. Almost. Okay, bye, Trey.
Bye.
Have fun at rugby.
I hope so.
Trey just took off and we're packing up and getting ready to go back to our place to kind of relax for a little bit and then head out for dinner. Bye, Ben.
Sorry.
Bye.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, Ben. I don't like
Ben's very camera shy. We're going out for dinner tonight. It's gonna be the first time I've worn boxers and shorts, all ready to go. It feels weird not wearing a bathing suit. We're going to a place called Casanovas. It's an Italian spot right on the water. You get to sit right at the beach and the sunset is going to be beautiful.